Welcome everyone to the Western Maryland Scenic Railway. The WMSR is a heritage railroad based in Cumberland, Maryland, that operates passenger excursion trains and occasional freight trains using both steam and diesel locomotives over ex-Western Maryland Railway tracks between Cumberland and Frostburg. The railroad offers coach and first-class service, murder mystery excursions, and special seasonal trips as well. The WMSR operates out of the former WM's Ridgely, West Virginia car shops, located just across the Potomac River from Maryland. The shop include offices, a Federal Railroad Administration building, and the former paint shop, which is now used to house the steam engine and perform repairs on the railroad's equipment. The WMSR shop also serves as a business offering restoration services for locomotives and coaches from both commercial and private owners. South, past Ridgely Shops and the yard, the WMSR maintains a Y that is used to turn the railroad's locomotives and coaches. Since its creation, the WMSR has gained an extensive collection of lightweight style passenger coaches, many of which it either has restored to service in its green and gold livery or has used for parts to restore other coaches. Many of the restored coaches are painted with the names of local area towns, as well as benefactors of the Scenic Railroad. The WMSR also has a collection of freight equipment it has collected from CSX and other sources that it uses for storage at the shops, rail line maintenance, and photo freight excursions. The WMSR currently also has 3 cabooses, 2 of which are ex-C&O cabooses and 1 is an ex-WM caboose. Other unrestored equipment includes an ex-chassis system crane, ex-Amtrak material handling cars, heavyweight coaches, and pieces for a turntable. In the late 1980s, the city of Cumberland started seeing the old branch line as a possible tourist attraction, so a joint effort was formed. Allegheny County contributed $585,000, the city $2.47 million, and the city of Frostburg $338,427 to purchase the corridor. As part of the deal, the newly formed Scenic Railroad Development Corporation, SDRC, was given the old WM shops in Ridgely, West Virginia, a 1913 station in Cumberland, and an 1891 Cumberland and Pennsylvania wooden depot in Frostburg. From 1989 to 1991, the trackage was used by the Allegheny Central Railroad before the SRDC began operations themselves on the WMSR. WMSR's excursion train starts in Cumberland at the Western Maryland Railway Station. From there, the trains follow the former Western Maryland Railway line northwest through the Cumberland Narrows, a deep water gap formed by the passage of Wills Creek between Haystack Mountain and Wills Mountain. Parts of the Wills Mountain anticline geological structure. They then proceed up the Allegheny front through a water gap formed by Jennings Run, past Mount Savage, and terminate at the former Cumberland and Pennsylvania Railroad Depot in Frostburg, where they lay over for about 90 minutes to allow passengers to visit the town before they reverse the train and head back to town.